everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn French with I. Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with I. So today's topic is French definite articles and we are going to discuss them in details. But before that, I can see a lot of new people have joined us. I know you are new to this channel, so let me introduce myself to you. I'm Ayushi, I'm from India. I'm double graduate in commerce and in French, and right now I'm pursuing MBA. Now welcome you all here. Without wasting any time, let's just start with our topic today. So what are the definite articles? Definite articles are those which, like, they are the terms which comes before the noun or superlatives and sometimes adjectives. So they come before specific noun, adjectives, or sometimes superlatives. So in English we have only one definite article, that is the. That's it. The moon, the star, the earth, and the globe, so on. But in French we have so many. Like, we have for masculine, for feminine, for plural, and for vowels also. So there are four articles we have in French, which is le, la, les, and l apostrophe. Now we are going to discuss each one of them in detail and how to identify for which term we can use which article. So let's start with this. First, let's discuss the article les. Les is used for plural terms, irrespective of their genders. Like, for the masculine plural form term, we also use les, and for the feminine plural term, we also use les. Let me give you some examples. For example, les livres, les portes, les voitures, les tables. So, irrespective of their genders, we always use les for the plural terms, be it feminine, be it masculine, and be it with the vowel. And now let's discuss L apostrophe article. L apostrophe article is always used for the words that are starting with the vowel. For example, l'hôtel, L apostrophe hotel, so it sounds like l'hôtel, or l'hôpital, or l'homme. So it's not just it starts with always H, so we are using L apostrophe, but you can always use with the vowel, with, for example, l'ordinateur, l'arbre. So there are lots and lots of examples that are available with the word starting with the vowel, and we always use L apostrophe for the singular subject. Okay. So let's discuss the article LE now. LE article always used for the masculine singular terms. Masculine single terms, we always use LE article. Okay, let me give you some examples. That stylo is masculine, so we use le stylo. Cinema, le cinema. Bateau, le bateau. Or garçon, that means le garçon. Now let's come to the one and last article, that is LA, and that is used for the feminine terms, feminine singular terms. Okay, sounds like la, la. And let me give you some examples for that. For example, table, la table. Chaise, la chaise. Voiture, la voiture. So we have discussed the four articles till now: LE, that is le, la, les, and L apostrophe. So one of the major key point here is most of the people get confused between where to put le and where to put la, because the two of the examples like le and l apostrophe are pretty simple, but it is hard to identify which term is feminine and which term is masculine in French. So there is a rule of 75%. In 75% of the feminine words end with letter E. E. This rule only applies only of the 75% of the time, and the rest of the 25% are the exceptions. Three examples of the feminine word, that is establishes and voiture. If you can notice a pattern that they all end with letter E, so these three words are in the 75% of the rule. But let's take an example of where. Where means glass, but it is not a feminine word, it is a masculine word, so we put le before the where. Le where. Le where. So you see, but this can apply only to 75% of the time, and this rule can make your life a little bit easy. So to summarize this video, we have learned today French definite articles, which are four: le, la, la, les, that is lay, and l apostrophe, that is le. La is used for masculine, la is used for feminine words, lay is used for plural terms irrespective of their gender, and l apostrophe is used for the terms that are started with the vowel. I hope you understand the concept of definite articles. If you have any questions, you can write it to me in the comment section, or email me, or write it to me on Instagram. I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you haven't noticed, I have started a short series for the people who are new to the French language. So make sure you recommend your friends and family who want to learn this beautiful language for free. There are already some of the videos, so make sure you watch that too. Till then, bye bye.